Hello friends, let's do brinjal chutney. I have taken 3 eggplants or 3 brinjals. This is very good combination with Jowar roti or ragi roti. It's a North Karnataka special. Let's start it. As you see, we are going to roast it on the flame directly like this. Keep it for 2 minutes. Then when it cooks that side, you can turn it. By the time this is getting roasted, you can just do it on the 3 gas stoves or one after the other eggplants too. Let's take a pan and put 1 teaspoon of oil. And take 5 to 6 green chilies. Let's roast them slightly. When they are getting slightly roasted, just add some garlic. I have taken 3 big garlic cloves which I have cut into half. Now our brinjal or the eggplant has been roasted. Let's continue with this. It's also done. By the time it's almost done, just put some 10 to 12 curry leaves, washed. For half a minute, just roast the curry leaves too. Some coriander, for 1 minute, not more than that. Let's peel the brinjal first. Let's peel the brinjal. That's it. See how fast it comes. Once it's well roasted, it comes very fast to peel it. It's very quick now. Just see, it's done. That's it. When both of them have cooled, let's grind them. First, let's grind only this one. With 3/4 teaspoon of salt. While grinding, don't put any water. Now we'll put the brinjal, roasted brinjal. But if you put like this, it doesn't go on correctly, grind correctly. So let's roughly chop them like this and put it in the mixie jar. And grind it. Don't put any water. This itself is enough for grinding and mixing them all together. As you see, our chutney is ready. It's so amazing here, the roasted flavor of the chutney. And let's take it out in a jar. Let's take the same pan and heat up some oil. One tablespoon of oil. Half teaspoon of mustard seeds. When mustard starts spluttering, let's put some curry leaves. Some hing. That's it. Our tadka is ready. Let's put the tadka on the top. Here it goes. Our chutney is ready now. Our brinjal chutney is ready. If you don't want to use oil or any tadka, you can just have it by itself. It tastes amazing. This is very good combination with jowar roti or ragi roti. A healthy roti combination. It tastes very nice. Thank you. If you are liking the recipes, please hit the like button. If not subscribed, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.